How to manage payment systems in Wcart. From the dashboard, head over to the sidebar menu and select Settings, then Store Settings, and click Payment Settings from the drop-down list to open the Payments section. To control how you view this section, click the drop-down at the top left to choose how many payment methods to view per page. The list updates right away, letting you see as many entries as you're comfortable with. Now, to make it super easy to find what you're looking for, navigate to the top right corner. You'll see the search bar. Just type in info and the list instantly filters to show matching results. Below, you'll see a table listing all the available payment options. Let's quickly go over what each column means. Serial number. This is simply the serial number for each entry in the list. Payment gateway shows the name of the payment method. Status. This lets you know if the gateway is currently active or not. Active means the gateway is live and ready to process payments. Inactive means it's temporarily disabled. Live or Sandbox shows whether the gateway is in live mode for real transactions or sandbox mode for testing without actual payments. To make changes to an entry, move over to the Action column on the far right. Click the Edit icon next to the one you want to update. This opens the Edit Payment Settings page, where you can make changes to the payment setup. Here's a quick overview of what you'll see on the Edit page. Payment gateway name. Add a short note about this payment method. Live or Sandbox. Use this drop-down to switch between live mode and sandbox mode.e. Test key ID. This is the public key you'll use to test payments in sandbox mode. Test key secret. Works with the test ID to run test transactions safely. Live key ID. This is the public key you'll use to accept real payments from customers. Live key secret. Pairs with the live ID to securely handle actual transactions. Payment gateway description. Add a short note about this payment method. Status. Choose whether this payment method should be active or inactive. Active means the gateway is turned on and ready for customers to use at checkout. Inactive means it's turned off, so customers won't see it as a payment option, even if it's set up. Once you've made your changes, scroll down and click Submit. You'll see a toast notification that says Payment Settings Updated. That means your changes have been saved successfully. If you decide not to go ahead with the updates, just click Cancel and you'll be taken back to the payment gateway list without saving anything. That's it! Managing your payment methods is simple, quick, and all in one place.